Okay, so Google Adsense is how most people serve ads, and they pay out millions of people to show ads on their videos and websites every single month. And I'm going to show you how you can make money and claim a piece of that pie with Google Adsense. Getting paid by Google is such an exciting thing. I mean, imagine having Google start sending you checks. That'd be fantastic, right? And it's pretty easy to do, actually. I'll be showing you in this video, and I'll be walking you through some examples on my computer of how you can make money with Google AdSense. Have Google pay you. It's the best feeling, like seeing a check in the mail from Google. Like, that is the coolest thing. People's minds get blown when you show them your first check from Google. They're like, what? Google's paying you? It's funny. But there's really two main methods of making money with Google AdSense, okay? First, I'm going to explain exactly what Google AdSense is. So all of the ads that you see on YouTube videos like this one, or ads that you see on websites around the internet, such as like Huffington Post or TMZ or foxnews.com, whatever, a lot of those ads are controlled by Google. And Google will pay you. If you own a website or a YouTube channel, Google will pay you money just to show ads on your videos or on your website. So that brings us to the two main methods of making money with Google AdSense. The first is blogging, okay? And there's a few ways to do blogging. I'll show you some examples in just a second on my computer, but the first is just kind of blogging about life. The second is blogging about what I call how to, okay? Showing people how to do something, how to dress yourself for success, or how to color your hair in 4 simple steps, what the best baby diapers are, etc. And also news, okay? You can start a news site and people will visit your website. Now, the second main method is vlogging, okay? And sort of the same 3 things apply. Is you can vlog about life and just kind of like, you know, like Jake Paul, just kind of going through the world, pranking people, something funny happens in your relationship and you just want to share it. Or so your animals do something funny, right? Cat videos. The second is how to. Once again, you can, like, this is what I'm doing right here, is I'm teaching you how to do something. In this case, I'm teaching you how to make money on the internet or something along those lines. How to do affiliate marketing if you follow me more closely. And you can also put up videos about the news or your opinions on particular news subjects. So let's go to my computer and I'll show you an example of some of these websites here. So this is my friend's blog called Project Life Mastery. And what he's showing people how to do is how to achieve, you know, a better mindset for creating success. His name's Stefan, and he says, ready to enjoy life more, let go of control and start trusting the process. Or here's another blog he did, How Tony Robbins Made Me a Multimillionaire. And if I click on this, you'll see he just writes a blog about something helpful about how Tony Robbins helped him and helped his life. So that's pretty cool. And he has different ads along the right side here. Another example is best disposable baby diapers. So we'll see we're on baby list. And if you search for, you know, best baby diapers for a newborn girl or something along that line, you'll come to a site like this and you'll see there's ads. There's ads on this site, okay? There's different ads, etc. So that's another way to make money with Google. And the third example is a news site. We see, you know, Huffington Post. This was started by one woman who just wanted to share her Democratic, left-wing leaning opinions on the news. And you'll see here's ads up here. And if we click that little button, we'll see, you know, it says how Google shows your ads. And, you know, it shows me how this information was collected and whatnot. But we'll see there's lots of ads all over the site that whenever they show, she makes money. Okay. Now to go over some examples from YouTube, here's my earnings from YouTube, just to give you an example for the last month of February. And you'll see I made about $400 in AdSense revenue. Right now I have about 69,000 subscribers. So if you do the math, really to live comfortably in a first world country, you need at least 500,000 subscribers or 1 million subscribers to make significant money with AdSense. Now we see here you can start a music channel. That's another type of category of channel you can start on YouTube. Here's a channel that this guy, Jaw Big, has 349,000 subscribers, okay? So, or 384,000 subscribers. So that's one of the ways he's making money, and ads show over his videos. Here's an example of a how-to channel. Obviously, I'm a how-to channel, but here's a bigger one, which is Peter McKinnon. And Peter McKinnon is showing people how to film events, how to be a filmer. Here's a video of him showing how to edit your photos. Here's how to set up your filmmaking. Here's more tutorials. 8 camera hacks in 90 seconds. Take better shots with your iPhone, and you'll see that as 3.1 million views. And what's great is these videos will keep getting views over and over again. Just like if you blog, your blog post will keep getting views over and over and over again if you are sharing something that's valuable, and it will consistently make you money. So there's really not a lot to it. Google AdSense is a great way to make money. It's very easy. If you have a YouTube channel, just by definition, you're going to be making money from Google AdSense. What you need to keep in mind is that the way Google AdSense works is Google gives you 40% of whatever they earn. So Google basically takes a 60% cut, and you get about 40%, half, almost half. Now, there are ways to make a lot more money than just placing ads on your website or on your YouTube channel. And that method is you can either own your own product, and it's called e-commerce, or you can be an affiliate marketer and directly sell and recommend a product that you recommend your audience to use. And if you know your audience, if you understand your audience well, you can make far more than what Google AdSense will pay you. You can make, I make 100 times more than what Google AdSense pays me by being an affiliate marketer. So as you see, the opportunity is much bigger if you learn affiliate marketing. I hope that helped you out. I'm really excited and really honored by your support of my channel and support of my teaching that I'm doing here on YouTube. Thank you so much for subscribing and liking my videos. If I've inspired you for any particular reason, I would love to hear your comments below. Now, if you're not a subscriber already of mine, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to be informed of more videos about me. And I hope to continue to help more people make money online. So looking forward to seeing you in future videos, and thank you so much for the support up until now. Thanks.